All right, so here we are, day 2, working on the sanding and prepping for the hardtop overlay here. One thing you see here is I've gone through, done some more sanding, completed sanding and working on the inserts and removing any other rough edges or edges that didn't seem smooth. So you can see if you're at the USA, if you saw those in my other videos, go ahead and hit those as well. One thing to note is that obviously the commercial product ban on lead paint did not take place till much later than '78. So whenever you're working on these, make sure you have adequate, it's kind of rainy outside, but adequate ventilation, wear all your safety gear, respirator, etc. So that's what I did, and that's what I'll continue to do to stay safe while working on this. One thing that I have also done as well is my shooter lane was really yucky. So after talking to Outside Edge, he was telling me that on his, he used just some spray clear, aerosol clear, and just kind of cleaned it up. So I actually resanded this and got this back to a decent nick from this perspective. So what I'm going to be doing here in a moment is going to be clearing these over. Once I get this cleared a couple times, I feel pretty comfortable with that. I'm actually going to go in here and I'm actually going to shot spray each one of these inserts. You can see here, obviously, and I did this with some Novus earlier. Novus 2 and Novus 1 worked okay. I mean, it would probably be acceptable just to use Novus 2 or Novus 1 on your inserts. But I've got the can of spray clear, so I'm just going to touch each one of these, click it with a blast of clear, and be able to go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and get that a shot, and then once I get that done, I'll recap on what we look like, and we're getting really close here to application. So